Here is another how to design the roof for a home addition. Now the individual wants to put a home addition here on the front of a gable roof. So the floor plan or the outside shell of the building kind of looks like this. Gable section here, gable here. Something like this. So I think the front door is over here or over here. Or this even might be the back of their house. But it would look something like this with two gables. And of course here is the addition, even with the sides. Now this isn't that difficult. You just bring the gable right through. You can just bring a straight gable across, which would look something like this. You would never even notice it. So you would just kind of remove this roof here. I mean, you could keep it, but might as well just remove it and bring the rafters across. And last but not least, you could always put a Dutch roof on the front here. So you would have hips coming down, hips, and then the ridge would come across here, and you'd have kind of a gable fascia on this side here, which would look something like this. So you're just talking about keeping the building rectangular shaped. You have a hip here if you wanted. And that is it for this video. So hope it helped. If it does, hit the old thumbs up button and let us know.